Hi my YouTube friends and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. In a festive mood, it's going to involve candles, faux flower petals, Christmas ornaments, and just a variety of things that you can use to make a simple centerpiece on your table. So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. As indicated earlier, we are going to do some festive centerpieces. It's going to be very easy to do. You only need about 4 items. So here they are. You will need one of these small wreaths that you can get from, of course, Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Walmart. You can get these wooden tiny wreaths anywhere, but we're going to jazz it up. The other thing you'll need is some pine needles. This can be found anywhere. Everyone has some pine tree in their yard somewhere close by, nearby. You can go to the park, you can find it, cut you a couple of branches off, small branches, and this is going to help you put together your wreath. The last thing you'll need is a decorative bow. It can be a bow of your choice. This one, of course, I got from the Dollar Tree, and it is going to serve as the Christmas bow for my miniature Christmas wreath. And you will need some twisty ties. Now you can use your hot glue gun to glue the branches to the wreath, but I like to recycle things. I don't like for things to be permanent, and glue for me is a little permanent. So I'm going to be using twisty ties to put this together. So let's go. All right, so we're going to assemble. Here we go. For the most part, all you're doing is sticking the twisty tie between the grooves of the wreath. And then once you get it placed where you want it, you go ahead and secure the twisty tie. Doesn't that look amazing? Yes, and it's just a rustic, quick fix wreath, and it's very rustic and beautiful. I think I'm going to add lights to it to add a little pizzazz. Oh wow, doesn't that look amazing? Now the lights that we used were the battery operated lights that you can get from Dollar Tree, and just entangle it within the wreath and let the base of the battery pack be at the lower end behind the wreath. So I'll turn it around so that you can see it. So there's the battery pack behind the wreath. And this is the front of the wreath. Isn't that adorable? This is great. And it will look absolutely amazing on your door. You can even think about making a larger version of this. A larger one to hang outside on your door would be great. Yeah, think about it. If you're like me, that last minute decorating person, these simplistic holiday decorative designs are what we have to do. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Happy holidays.